I'm going to show you how to defragment your hard drive on your computer using a free program called Auslogics Disk Defrag. To demonstrate what fragmentation on your hard drive is, I'm going to use my phone, wallet, and mouse as a representation of data on your hard drive. When your hard drive is defragmented, all your data is really close like this. There is a needle on your hard drive, if you've seen a hard drive platter, that will search between your data. It has to go to the data, like my finger's the needle. Like I just found my phone on my computer, then I got to my wallet, now I'm on my mouse computer. Now what happens when you have a fragmented hard drive is these bits of data will get separated. You would have like this over here, mouse, and now you have to go farther. Your needle on your hard drive has to go farther to get to the same data. If I wanted to grab all 3 bits of data, I would have to grab this, then have to go here, grab this, then have to go here, grab this. But if we were to run a defrag program, which we're going to do now, we're running the defrag, it brings your data back close to each other. So instead of having to reach all the way around to get the same data, I'm only having to reach in this one spot, and so it's quicker to get to the data. I hope this was a good representation of what a disk defrag does. Keep watching to learn how they configured Auslogics Disk Defrag. There will be a download link listed below. Once you have it installed to your hard drive, you go to settings and you want to put it at high priority if you have a fast enough processor, or you're not going to be doing the defrag when you're doing something else, because the higher priority you have, the more processor the program can use to defrag your hard drive. After you set that to whatever is best for your computer, you go to program settings. You can configure your language. If you have an SSD, you should click this to hide your SSDs, as it's not good. It doesn't do anything to defrag an SSD. If you go to algorithms, you should check delete temporary files. That can delete some files that can save space and make your defrag quicker. You can do this if you have 2 physical different hard drives in your computer. This you can do to 2 hard drives at the same time. It'll just cause more CPU usage. And here is why I choose Auslogics over the Windows defrag, is because it moves the files, the most frequently used files from the Windows operating system, to the beginning of the disk, which is the fastest part, meaning it will keep your most used files on the fastest part of your hard drive, so your computer will stay fast. You can right here run a schedule. You can set it to run daily, weekly, whatever you decide. And you can exclude some things and these things. Otherwise, all you have to do is set that, choose hard drives. In the case of mine, these are partitions on my hard drives on one hard drive. If you have 2 physical hard drives, then you can click both, but in the case of me having just partitions, you want to just do one at a time, as if you do multiple ones on the same hard drive, it will considerably slow it down, and it'd be just faster to do it individually. And then all you do is click defrag. I'll say preparing, analyzing. If you look at all this red right here, that shows you fragmented blocks on your hard drive. And if you see the orange ones, that means it's processing, and you can look down here for all the other ones. It's interesting to see how your hard drive is laid out. The top part here is where it's moving the files, and that's the fastest part of your hard drive. It's at the top. And each partition of mine, as that's defragmented up here, you see a little status bar percentage. Just do this to all your computers, and it should be able to speed them up. It could speed up your boot time or just speed up general performance of your computer. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.